Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Bless you. Oh my. The 28th of September. We are very awake with the hiccups. Oh, there's Sadie. Down. Having a good time. Kicking and a playing. We're wearing some 0 to 3 month clothes now. So we're getting bigger. Bigger and bigger. We're still in our newborn diapers. Yeah. What you think? Go say good morning. Say good morning. So today we're just going to hang out around the house like we do every day. Probably take a nap. Yeah. That's about it. Okie dokie, well, we just wanted to say good morning. Right, Sims? You wave bye? Wave bye. Tomorrow we will be 3 weeks old. Just getting bigger and bigger. Alrighty. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.